His boss is waiting. The phone screen turns black. Stay with Leo to the end of this story and watch how he solves his problem. Leo's eyes open slowly. His hand reaches for the buzzing phone. It bumps the water glass, but the glass does not fall. He sits up fast. The room spins around him. He grips the bed and holds his hot forehead until it stops. Leo sees his plant. Its leaves droop on the windowsill. He pours his last water into the dry soil. Leo takes his gray jacket from the closet. He pats both pockets twice, like always. A small coin sits inside the left pocket. He puts the jacket on the chair. It slides toward the edge. Leo catches it just in time. Leo picks up his phone and dials his boss. His thumb shakes on the buttons. He presses call and lifts the phone to his ear. Leo is ready to call his boss, but his phone battery is almost empty. The phone rings once, then twice. On the third ring, it connects. The screen shows boss, and a timer starts. The screen flickers. Leo taps it hard, but the light fades fast, and the screen turns black. Leo stares at the black screen. He presses the power button again and again. Nothing happens. Leo grabs the charger from the floor. He pushes the plug in twice before it finally clicks. He watches for the battery icon. Nothing shows. A tiny outline flickers once, then fades away. Leo sits back on his bed. He looks at the clock. It is later than he thought. He sets the dead phone on the bed. Leo opens a kitchen drawer and digs through the cables. He pulls one out, but it is the wrong shape. He tries a second cable. It fits, but no light comes on. The wall outlet is dead, too. Leo leans against the counter. His head spins. He grips the edge until the room stops tilting. Leo walks to the window, still dizzy. Down on the corner, he spots an old phone booth by a newspaper stand. He looks at his dead phone, then back at the booth. He nods once. Leo pulls on his shoes fast, still swaying. Two jackets wait there. Gray on the chair, blue on the hook. He grabs the blue jacket instead, quicker to reach. The gray jacket slips a little, but stays on the chair, forgotten. Leo pulls the door open. Sunlight spills in. He steps outside. moving fast despite his dizzy head. Leo runs outside to find the phone booth, but the coin is still in his gray jacket. Leo stops on the sidewalk and pats his blue jacket pockets. Both are empty. He turns them inside out, searching. He checks his pants pockets too, patting faster. Nothing. He stands still, his eyes losing focus, one hand on the brick wall. Leo pushes the shop door. It does not open. A paper sign says, "Back in 10 minutes." He steps back and scans the ground. He crouches by the curb and sees a glint of metal. He reaches for it. Only a bottle cap. He drops it and sighs. Leo presses a hand to the brick wall, breathing hard. He looks back at the closed shop, then turns toward home, his shoulders low. He climbs the steps slowly, gripping the railing tight. The steps seem to tilt for a moment. He stops and waits. Back inside, Leo drops onto the couch and digs through the cushions. His fingers find something round, only a plastic button. He pulls open a drawer under the TV. Old papers slide out onto the floor. No coins, just receipts and a dead remote. Leo sits back on the floor along the papers. He rubs his hot forehead and closes his eyes. Leo searches the couch and finds no coin. But the answer waits on his chair at the bedroom. Leo stumbles back into the bedroom, searching faster now. His leg hits the nightstand. The alarm clock falls and cracks open on the floor. He freezes, staring at the broken clock. His legs give way. He sinks to his knees. Leo does not move. The clock's broken screen lies still beside him. Leo lifts his head slowly. Across the room, the gray jacket still hangs on the chair, right where he left it. He stands up, legs unsteady, and crosses the room. He pats both jacket pockets twice, his old habit. Then he stops. His fingers close around a small coin. He pulls it out and holds it up. It catches the light. Leo runs down the sunlit street. He reaches the old phone booth. The heavy door sticks, then gives way. Leo drops the coin into the slot. He dials slowly, one careful number at a time. The line connects, and his boss answers. Leo tells him he is sick. Leo lowers the phone gently.
He leans back against the glass and closes his eyes. He breathes out slowly, and a small smile forms. Wait, please like and subscribe. It means a lot. Now some new words from today. Listen and repeat. Phone,
Phone. Forehead.
forehead,
Jacket. Jacket. Pocket.
pocket,
Coin.
coin,
Screen. Screen. Charger.
charger,
Battery.
battery,
Booth.
booth,
Knee.
knee. You listened, you learned. Please leave a comment. This is More Lingua. English. Watch next.